7th Samachir Max exercise 1.2 first sum, fill in the blanks. Minus 44 plus dash is equal to minus 88. You want minus 88. So, you know 44 plus 44 is 88, but here you have minus sign. So, you put another minus sign and write minus 44 minus 44 will give you minus 88. I told you already yesterday's class, when two numbers are positive, you have to add and put the positive sign. When two numbers are negative, you will add and put the negative sign. When one is positive, one is negative, always subtract and put the sign of the greater number. It may be plus or it may be minus. Whatever number is greater, that number sign you will put. For example, plus 4 minus 3. You know you will subtract 4 minus 3 is 1. Bigger number sign is plus. So, you will put plus 1. Can you follow? So, remember when you have both positive, for example 1, 1. So, 1 plus 1 will give you what? 2. Same way minus 1 minus 1. Again here you will add up and put the negative sign. Here 1 is positive, 1 is negative, means subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Only this concept you have to remember when you are considering for addition or subtraction of numbers. Can you follow? So, minus 44 plus minus 44 will only give you minus 88. Two numbers have to be added to get a negative number. So, here both the numbers 44 plus 44 will only give you 88. So, here you have negative number, means this also has to be negative, only then you will add and get the number as minus 88. So, here you have minus 45. Minus 45 you need means you have to have a number which is positive, only then if you subtract you will get a negative number with this value. So, it must be, because it is a smaller value. So, this must be positive, only then if you subtract 30 minus 75 will give you 45. 75 minus 30 is what? 45, because a number greater number is negative, you have put a negative number. So, 30 minus 75 is equal to minus 45. Now, here you have 50, here it is minus 80. So, you want a negative number. So, this number has to be negative with a greater, it must be greater than this 50, only then you will get here 80. So, just see minus 50, this is minus 50, it is equal to minus 30. So, this must be minus 30, because when both are negative, you know here minus 30 minus into plus is minus 50 is equal to minus 80. Can you follow? So, this is plus into minus is minus. So, you have minus 50 is equal to minus 80. This number is unknown to you. So, both has to be negative, only then you will get here number as minus 80. So, I have made this number also negative. So, 30 plus 50 will only give you 80. This is negative. So, this also has to be negative to get a negative number. I think all are able to follow. Minus into plus is minus. So, you write minus 50 is equal to minus 80. This number you do not know. So, you know you have to get a negative number again, you have minus 50 alone here. So, this has to be added with minus 30, only then you will get a negative number. Okay. Now, next say true or false. Here minus 675, you have two signs, means make it as a single sign. So, minus into minus is what? Plus 400, it is equal to 675 minus 400, subtract means you will get 275. So, here this is negative. So, bigger number is negative, means this must be what? Minus 275, but this is given as minus 1075. So, your answer is false. So, you must get minus 275, but instead it is given as minus 1075. So, it is false. Next is minus 15, sorry, plus 15, minus into minus is plus 18. So, what will you get? Add these two. 15 plus 18, they have asked you is the same as 15 plus 18, yes. So, minus into minus will give you plus. So, it is again here this side it is 15 plus 18. So, both sides are equal, therefore, they are same. Okay. Next is minus 45 minus of minus 8. So, minus 45 minus into minus is plus 8, it is equal to, they have given both sides are equal or not, you have to say. So, here it is minus 8 minus into minus plus 45. Here this is plus 8, this is minus 8. Here it is minus 45, this is plus 45. So, both sides are different, therefore, not same. They are not equal. They have asked you to find out whether it is equal, because the equal to sign is given for you. So, you will write it is not equal. Can you follow? So, minus 45 minus into minus will give you plus. So, here it is minus 8 minus into minus is plus 45. Here it is plus 45, this side it is negative minus 45. Here it is minus 8, this side it is plus 8. So, both sides won't be equal, because if you subtract, your value will be different. Here you will get minus 37, okay. Here you will get plus 37, because a greater number is positive. So, minus 37 is completely different from plus 37. So, it is not equal. Can you follow? So, subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Here the greater number is negative, here the greater number is positive. So, I have put this side as positive, this side is negative, both sides are not equal. Find the value of the following using number line. So, minus 3 minus of minus 4 using number line. So, you first make it positive, minus 3, minus into minus is what? Plus 4. So, using number line. So, minus 3, from I told you from 0 you have to take when you are drawing a number line. So, first consider the first number, minus 3. So, from 0 to minus 3 you bring your arrow. So, I am moving backwards because it is minus 3. So, from 0 only you have to move. So, from 0 to minus 3 I am moving this side. So, after this plus 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your value moves here. So, it is plus 4. So, your answer is what? 1. So, minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. This is your answer using number line. Can you follow? So, remember, it is negative means from 0 you will move to the negative side. If the first number is positive means from 0 you will move to the positive side. But here it is negative. So, from 0 I am moving to minus 3. Then plus 4 is given. So, 4 values you can add up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move through 4 places. Your answer is 1. Okay. Next sum you see. Plus 7 minus of minus 10 using number line. So, it is first make your negative sign as single sign. You have two signs here. One is negative, another is also negative. So, make it as a single sign means, you know, this bracket means it is multiplication. So, minus into minus is what? Plus 10. So, 7 plus 10, all of you know that it is 17. So, first step is, because it is positive, from 0 you move to 7 directly. Okay. So, I am moving to 7. Then you have to add 10. So, 10 places you have to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, your answer is what? 17. So, 7 plus 10 is 17. So, using number line also you have found out correctly. Okay. Now, third subdivision, 35 minus of minus 60. Only these two sums I asked you to use number line and calculate. Now, we are going to do simply. So, 35 minus into minus is what? Plus 64. So, add means what will you get? 35 plus 64. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. So, your answer is 99. Okay, next sum. Minus 200 plus into minus is minus. Remember, always the negative sign will dominate when two signs are there. So, minus into plus will give you minus 100. So, both are negative. I told you when both are negative, add up and put the negative sign. 200 plus 100 is what? 300. So, both are negative, I am putting the negative sign. So, your answer is minus 300. Okay. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. So, totally how many pencils Kabilan is having? 10. Okay. So, he gave 2 pencils to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. So, he is giving 2 pencils to Sendil. Giving means, you know, it is decrease. If you are giving a thing from your hand, it will decrease. So, you know, when any person is giving something, the value will decrease. So, I am putting a negative sign. So, he is giving 2 to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. So, this number of pencils is giving to Sendil and this he is giving to Karthik. Okay. Next day, okay, so what you will find out first how much he is having. So, 10 minus of 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So, how many pencils is having now? 5. Can you follow? Kabilan is having 10 pencils. In that he is giving 2 to one person, 3 to another person. So, how much is giving totally? 5 pencils is giving. So, 10 minus 5 will give you 5. Again, he gave, so next day his father gave him 6 more pencils. So, again he is giving. So, number will increase in his hand. So, he is getting how many pencils totally? 5 plus 6 is 13. So, he is having 13 pencils. In that 13 pencils, he gave 8 to his sister. Again he is giving 8 to his sister. So, how many is remaining in this? Okay. So, 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 6 is what? 11. In that 11 pencil, he is giving 8 more to his sister. So, 11 minus 8 is what? 3 pencils. So, totally in his hand, how many he is having? 3 pencils now. Can you follow? So, first he was having 10 pencils. In that he gave 2 to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. So, 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Add the values which are within the bracket first. So, 10 minus 5 will give you 5. Okay, in that again his father is giving 6 more pencils. So, 5 plus 6 is what? 11. So, out of these 11 pencils again he is giving 8 to his sister. So, 11 minus 8 is 3. So, all this you can write in a single step like this. Okay. 10 pencils totally. In this he is giving 2 to both of his friends, and then his father is giving 6 more to him. In that he is giving 8 more to his sister. So, giving means negative, getting means he is getting 6 means plus. So, totally he had 6 pencils, then his father gave him 6, totally he had first 10 pencils, in this father gave him 6 pencils. So, 10 plus 6. Okay. This is both you add together, minus 5. This is minus 8. It is equal to, add the negative positives together. 10 plus 6 is 16 minus 8 plus 5 is 13. It is equal to 3. So, this way also you can do in a single step. So, this is another method. Okay. This is another method. You can do whichever is easy for you. You can follow one method. So, I am writing everything together. So, 10 in this is giving 5 to his friends. 6 his father is giving him. So, as he gets the pencil he is giving, put as addition. When he is giving someone it decreases, so I have put negative. So, you must understand the concept, and accordingly positive numbers together you add up, negative numbers together you add up, and you will get the answer. Okay. Next is, a lift is on the ground floor. If it goes 5 floors down and moves up 10 floors from there, then in which floor the lift will be? Okay. So, actually it is in the ground floor. So, need not worry about that. If it goes 5 floors, so it is moving up, so positive, and moves, if it goes down 5 floors, so it is going down, so it is negative. You can imagine from the ground floor again it is going underneath, under the ground. Okay. So, from the ground floor, this is your ground floor. From the ground floor it is moving 5 floors down. Okay. It is going 5 floors down, and then, so because it is going down and I am subtracting, so it is minus 5. Then it moves up 10 floors, so it is moving 10 floors up. Okay. So, plus 10. So, in which floor the lift will be? 5 floors, 5th floor. It will be in the 5th floor. Can you all follow? So, because it is going downwards, down the ground level, I have put negative 5, and it is again moving upwards 10 floors. So, minus 5 plus 10. So, it is staying in the 5th floor now, above the ground floor. Can you follow? So, it is your 5th floor is the answer. So, this all you can understand means you can do in a single step. When Kala woke up, her body temperature was 102 degree. So, what is her body temperature? 102 degree. She took medicine for fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree lower. So, it is decreasing. Lower means it is decreasing. So, what is the current temperature? 100 degree Fahrenheit. What is her temperature then? Can I follow? So, when she was waking up, her temperature was 102. After taking medicine, it decreased to 2 degrees. So, what is her current temperature? Means 100 degree Fahrenheit. Can you follow? Okay. What number should be added to minus 17 to get minus 15? Added to. So, what number has to be added? You assume the number to be x. Let the number to be added be x. Okay. So, whatever number being added is x. Then, so x is being added to minus 17. Added means plus. Put this minus 17 separately. To get minus 19, you want your number to be minus 19. To get, that means equal to 19, minus 19. Okay. So, now x is equal to minus 19. Take this minus this side, it becomes plus 17. I think all of you know that. Negative sign, if it goes to the other side of equal to, it becomes positive. So, this minus sign 17, if it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 17. Now, you subtract and put the sign of the greater number. 19 minus 17. Your answer will be 2. So, because the greater number is minus, I am putting minus 2. Can you follow? So, always put the sign of the greater number. Okay. A student was asked to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. He got minus 30. Is he correct? Justify. Okay. From minus 47. So, you know from has to be written first. Minus 47, he is subtracting minus 12. So, as he is subtracting, put this minus sign. A student was asked to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. So, from has to be written first, all of you know that. Because it is subtraction, I have put this. Next step is minus 47, minus into minus is plus 12. So, what is your answer? Minus 35, minus 35. So, I will subtract and show you. 47 minus 12. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. Bigger number is negative, so I am putting the negative sign. So, your answer is minus 35, but he has got minus 30 is given. So, it is not correct. Okay. So, the student was asked to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. So, minus 47 minus of minus 12. So, minus into minus is plus. So, 47 minus 12 will give you 35. Because the greater number is negative, I am putting the negative sign. Okay. So, now objective minus 5 minus of minus 18 is equal to. So, minus 5 minus into minus is plus 18. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So, 18 minus 5 is what? 13. Your greater number is positive. So, your answer is C. Okay. So, minus 100 minus 0 plus 100. So, minus 100 plus 100. You know 100 minus 100 is 0. So, your answer is 0. Can you all follow now?